Understanding the phrase, on thin ice. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and effective. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used English idiom, on thin ice. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in a conversation. So, let's slide into the details. The phrase, on thin ice, is an idiom that conveys a warning. It originates from the literal danger of standing on ice that is too thin to support your weight, which could lead to breaking through and falling into the cold water beneath. When used metaphorically, it means that someone is in a risky situation where they are close to reaching a point of trouble or danger, especially in relation to their behavior or actions. It's like a cautionary note that they're nearing a limit and should change course to avoid negative consequences. Now, let's see on thin ice in action. Imagine a student who has been late to class several times. The teacher might say, "You're on thin ice. If you're late again, there will be serious consequences." This means the student has one last chance before facing punishment. It's not just for negative scenarios, though. In the workplace, for example, a colleague might say, "The boss is on thin ice with the board after that risky decision." This suggests that the boss is in a precarious position and must be careful moving forward. Using on thin ice is all about the context. You would typically use it to caution someone or to describe a situation where patience is running thin. It's a versatile phrase, so you can use it in formal and informal situations alike. Just remember, it almost always carries a serious undertone of warning. And that's a wrap on thin ice. Thank you for watching, and we hope you now feel more confident using this idiom in your daily conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to add color to your language skills and sound more like a native speaker. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more learning adventures. Stay safe, and remember, don't skate on thin ice with your English learning.